Hi friends, hello everyone. I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of FaceApp. We click on settings. In this page, we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will search about the application of FaceApp. Then we click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then here you will click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to press the bell like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.